Welcome to the shadowing practice. First, listen to the question and then answer by speaking out loudly. What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? What do you do for a living? Do you eat healthy foods? Do you avoid sugar? Do you take any supplements? Do you work out regularly? Do you like lifting weights? Do you have a gym membership? How do you manage stress? Do you see a therapist? Do you use any apps for mental health? Do you sleep well at night? Do you have a bedtime routine? Do you drink enough water? Do you drink coffee or tea? Do you carry a water bottle? Have you tried mindfulness? Does it help with stress? How often do you exercise? Does it improve your mood? Do you see a therapist? Has it been helpful? Do you keep a journal? How does it help you? Do you practice deep breathing? Does it calm you quickly? Do you eat a balanced diet? Does it affect your mental health? Do you have a sleep routine? How does it affect you? Do you meet friends often? Does it boost your mood? Do you limit screen time? Do you have any hobbies? Does it help with stress? How do you prioritize tasks? Does it help you stay organized? Do you keep a daily schedule? Does it improve your productivity? Do you set daily goals? Do you find it motivating? How do you avoid procrastination? Does it make a difference? Have you tried time blocking? Does it boost your efficiency? Do you delegate tasks? Is it helpful? Do you use apps for time management? Do they make a difference? Do you set boundaries for work? Has it improved your work-life balance? Do you reflect on how you use your time? Has it been beneficial? Do you take regular breaks? Does it help with focus? Have you tried the Pomodoro technique? Does it improve your focus? Do you batch similar tasks together? Has it increased your efficiency? Which productivity tools do you use? Does it help keep you on track? Do you set strict deadlines for yourself? Do they stress you out? Do you have a productive morning routine? Does it set the tone for your day? How do you limit distractions while working? Does it help you concentrate better? Do you reflect on what you accomplish each day? Does it boost your motivation? Do you plan your week in advance? Does it make your week more productive? How do you prioritize your tasks? Has it been effective? Do you take regular breaks during work? Does it enhance your productivity? Do you use a timer while working? Does it help you stay on task? How do you manage your energy throughout the day? Does it make you more efficient? Do you have a daily routine? Has it improved your productivity? How do you decide what's a priority? Does it help manage your workload? Do you break tasks into smaller steps? Does it improve your productivity? Do you keep a to-do list? Is it effective for managing time? How do you balance work and breaks? Does it help maintain your efficiency? Do you plan for unexpected events? Does it reduce stress? Do you review your plans regularly? Do you set time limits for tasks? How do you manage stress from work? Has it helped with balancing your life? Do you make time for hobbies? Does it help you unwind? Do you take breaks during work?